We are looking at the beast. We will read from the Bible. This is the Anzu bird. We are reading from the Bible to explain what's happening.
Revelation 13:1-10. The beast out of the sea. The dragon, explain, you read first, then we explain. The dragon stood on the shore of the sea, and I saw a beast coming out of the sea. It had 10 horns and 7 heads, with the crowns on its horns, and on each head a blasphemous name. The beast I saw resembled a leopard, but had feet, those of a bear, and a mouth like that of a lion. That dragon gave the beast his power, and his throne, and great authority. One of the heads of the beast seemed to have had a fatal wound, but the fatal wound have been healed. The whole world was filled with wonder and followed the beast. People worshipped the dragon because he had given authority to the beast. They also worshipped the beast and asked, "Who is like the beast? Who can wage war against it?" The beast vows to utter proud words and blasphemies to exercise its authority for 42 months. It opened the mouth to blaspheme God and to slander his name and his dwelling place and those who live in heaven. It was given power to wage war against God's holy people and to conquer them. And it was given authority over every tribe, people, language, and nations. All inhabitants of the world will worship the beast. All those names have not been written in the Lamb's book of life. The Lamb who was slain from the creation of the world. Whoever has ears, let them hear. If anyone is to go to captivity, into captivity they will go. If anyone is be killed with the sword they will be killed. This calls for patient endurance of faithfulness on the part of God's people. The beast. Yeah,
This is the beast.
Bird. See? Now you know. This is the Anzu bird. You see, people?
So this is the Anzu bird. His real name is Anzu. It was a bird from the Sumerian. Also, 𒀭THE is from the Sumerian. It's called the dragon. But let's talk about the beast. He got his power from 𒀭THE, the dragon, Mordechai. So I will share the links. This is the beast. He has a face of a lion.
Yeah.
He has feet of a bear and he has wings.
Many countries.
This is the Anzu bird. Here it is. This is, I believe, near United Nations. They have the Anzu bird as a symbol, I believe. This is the Anzu bird. You see his feet. He stole the tablets of destiny, or the Ark of the Covenant, as it's also called.